In this video, I'm going to show you how to get payment notifications from the Capitec app. If you want to stay updated every time money comes into your account or when any transaction takes place, enabling these notifications is extremely helpful. First, open your Capitec mobile banking app and log in using your account details. Once you're successfully logged in and on the home screen, look toward the top right corner and tap on the three dots. This small menu button gives you access to additional options that are not shown on the main page. After tapping on the three dots, you'll see a list of settings. From these options, tap on Settings to continue. Inside the Settings section, scroll a little if needed, and tap on Message Settings. This is where all the message and notification preferences for your Capitec account are stored. Once you're inside Message Settings, tap on Transaction Messages. This section controls all alerts related to transactions happening on your bank account, including when you receive money, when you pay someone, or when a debit order goes off. After opening Transaction Messages, tap on Preferred Message Type. This is an important step because it decides how your notifications will reach you. You'll see different message options available, such as SMS or in-app messages. To get alerts directly inside the Capitec app without relying on SNS, select the option that says In-App Message. Choosing this ensures you receive real-time notifications instantly through the app whenever a transaction occurs. Once you select In-App Message, the setting will automatically update. There's no need to save anything manually. After that, you're completely done. Your payment notifications are now fully activated. That's how you get payment notifications from the Capitec app.